Morning again, YouTube community. Just think. This is Terry's from Terry's Model Garage. 2 videos in one day. How about that? Well, I got her all done and completed. Here's the tow truck. Let me get something to point stuff with. For pointer. All this black here is black chrome metal, bare metal foil. Along with this little design on the hooker thing, the boomer, and this on both sides. Got all the little chrome things on it, mirrors, interior. Kind of detailed up the interior. I'll see if I can get it turned around so you can see it better. There, like Chevy Cheeseburger did, I took straight pins, cut them, put them in there. The knobs, I know they're not straight, but it looks good for me. I'm satisfied with it. Got the lights and the thing painted. There's best shot of the interior I get. Gauges done. Got the brown interior, or tan interior I should say, with the acrylic coffee color, as close as a camel color I get. There she is. She's all done complete. The wire here, it's right here, that I use for the cable is some jewelry beading wire. It's black jewelry bead wire. I was going to use some sewing thread, but I figured that'd be too thin. So I used this beading wire, and I think it looks good. Wrapped it around the winch down here a little bit, and run it up and down through here onto the hook, and put that in there. But I think she looks good. Like I said, I don't care for the molded in engine, but it is what it is. But I kind of detailed it up to where kind of looked a little halfway decent underneath there. I ain't decided if I'm going to put decals on it or not yet. But the next step is for it, I'm going to put the snowplow on the front of it. From the snowplow truck. I'm going to put that on the front of this tow truck. So, there she is. Let me know what you think. I think it looks nice. Everybody in the community keep building. Keep up the good work. And y'all have a good day. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.